Welcome back again. It's your girl Atafa the Press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
A blessed good day to you, my wisdom warriors. Wagwan. From Una Ear Device, Una know say one and only Atafa the Press. Well, a woman whose 13-year-old daughter spent time with a man in another parish before the police intervened during a traffic stop has been found not guilty of cruelty to a child. Presiding Judge Natisha Fairclough Hilton delivered the verdict on Thursday following a two-witness trial that began on May 20. The child and the investigating officer both took the stand. So my wisdom warrior, right now, wanna tell me what you think about this. Woman who allowed her 13-year-old daughter to spend time with a man in another parish found not guilty. You remember when me come and me talk about this story? Who remember? If you remember, just put remember there for me. So what do you really think about this? Tell me. Put it in the comment section. What do you really think about this? This is a woman I meet this man. And then she allow her 13-year-old daughter to spend time with this man. This is a woman I forget lock up in my wisdom warriors, because this is a carelessness, This is carelessness. What kind of parent is this? This is where you say whole heap of things that happen to people pick me, This is where you say enough people pick me and get molested. And this is why you hear the JDF them come out and say uno parents for protect uno pitney, because they know say uno not do that. Uno not protect uno pitney at all costs. Uno not doing it. How can you have a 13-year-old child? You meet man, you and the man a friend, and then you make a 13-year-old pitney daughter go and spend time a man house for 3 days? No, sir, this sound fishy. This really sound fishy. I don't understand this. This a woman a careless girl. Careless woman this year, because I would never do things like this. My wisdom warriors, you can imagine? That's why I say enough of the pitney them I get touch up. Enough of the pitney them I get molested. Enough of them because the parents them allow it to happen. I can't do that. But this just not, me never see people do them things yet, my wisdom warriors. Something in a something. And this a woman I figure prison, man. She fi do some time, man. She fi do some time about she get off a case. But she careless but not criminal. Excuse me? She careless but not criminal. You know how much pitney I get molested? You know how much pitney I get molested? Parents, you need to do better than that. You need to protect your pitney. Remember, the police force come out and tell you, protect your child. Protect your pitney. All them as something is not right. Them as something is not right, my wisdom warriors. But you tell me what you think and put an honest opinion in the comment section. Anyway, hear this. According to the article, Theif+Jps to begin arriving in Jamaica this weekend. When I hear that, my wisdom warriors, from when they tell we say, how them are going to get help from overseas, from when them say that, them claim say, people are going to come this weekend. Them totally now come out and attack off their mouth and say how help are going to come. And then them out talk about how 80% of people have light, 95%. When nothing no go so pure lie them a tell. Pure lie JPS them out here telling our Anja onless about how much people have light from how much people not have no light. A whole heap of people all over Jamaica not have no light same way. Whole heap of people. And then when I take a look, my wisdom warriors, at this me see in the article, your bill this month may be estimated. Wanna hear that? My wisdom warriors? I get this from the JPS site. So, dear customer, Hurricane Beryl has disrupted our operations in several ways. One of the areas impacted by the recent hurricane is our ability to do actual meter readings, whether manually or remotely. As a result, your bill for the period June to July may be estimated. When I hear that, I want to listen good. In my last video, I did explain to you, don't it? And me I tell you no, don't. Alright, well, then put out this statement, so make sure someone take a good look at it. Me go post this in my YouTube community, and I'm also going to post it in the WhatsApp group. So, as a result, your bill for the period June to July may be estimated. So don't be puzzled. Wanna hear that? Hey, me tell you, say do not go out. Do not go out and pay no JPS work and no 150,000, no 30,000, no 50,000, no 80,000 because you still have no bill figure pay. You think a joke thing this? A serious thing me did I tell you no. Now you hear what them say. When you see the bill come, don't be puzzled. Okay? If it doesn't seem to reflect your most recent usage, estimates are calculated using the average of your last 3 actual readings. So my wisdom warriors, you know say right now everything will come up in a lump sum, you know. Hey, a whole heap of money you figure pay, you know. That's why I'm telling you, say, do not pay no JPS worker, no 50,000, no 100,000 for such a no light. Don't do it. Go buy a lamp. Use no lamp. Light candle. Go back to basic. You understand me? Remember, say, Andrew Owens did tell you for a long time, you know. Remember, saying tell you. So now, see what is happening. Them say, when you get on a bill, don't be puzzled. All right? On the other hand, they said, not to worry, your actual usage will be reflected on your next meter reading. So I don't know what kind of reassuring is this now. I reassure, they instead of my reassuring people, you know, my wisdom warriors. They literally reassuring the people by telling them not to worry because your actual usage will be reflected on your next meter reading. It don't really matter. It don't really matter, you know. Then bills still go high. Whether I want to reflect this month or next month or the following month, them still have to go pay extra. Them still have to go pay extra. So I don't know what kind of reassurance is this now. Hey, we have to read these things properly, and my wisdom warriors. We have to read this thing thoroughly. These people now I say, not to worry. Your actual usage will be reflected on your next meter reading. Any overestimation or underestimation will therefore be taken into account for your next bill. So why them a come up and talk about any overestimation or underestimation? Say, look like them a plan for do something. Anyway, we agree that estimated bills are not ideal for you or for us. We are therefore continuing our ongoing efforts to reduce estimated bills to our customers in general. Wanna hear that? So if you have any questions, please reach out to us via the JPS mobile app or customer care center at 888-225-5577 or 888-935-2255 on Digicel. Thanks for the privilege of serving you. I really rated well privilege. My wisdom warriors, if them can come and write and put out these things, it is really a privilege for serve Jamaican people, of course. Yeah, because I don't know what kind of estimated bill. I say to box cover. As me talk is sitting them in my video, so when me look at it, me see pop up in the article. Me I say box cover, them people are serious. That's why me want on in Jamaica, do not pay no extra money because you know already appear on a bill. It is a criminal offense, you know. What you see them do, it is not right, it is wrong. And these people need to be held accountable. They need to be charged, man. Seriously, they mess up me wrong. Anyway, my wisdom warriors, I just want to say a happy birthday to Mark Golden. Today is Mark Golden's birthday, and I wish him all the best. May God give him strength. May God bless him, guide him, and protect him each and every day. All right, so wanna just stamp up the comment section and just make you know, say, yeah, we love him a stand up for we and we must fight for we. All right, that. Bless up yourself, Mark Golden. Justice Minister Delroy Chuck is hopeful that concerns raised about the recently tabled annual report of the Integrity Commission will be cleared up in short order. Wanna hear that, my wisdom warriors? In short order. Hey, I want to look out on the eye, you know. You see how they just appoint this lady there, this judge lady when me show earlier. What's she name again? Marva. My wisdom warriors, I want to take note, you know. Just take note of everything. Wanna hear me? But just want to read between the lines. So, Delroy Chuck now say how the Oversight Committee to seek clarity on issues in latest IC report. Why the Oversight for seat? What kind of clarity? And at the same very thief them, with some of them were upon the Oversight Committee, them underneath ongoing investigation. My wisdom warriors, are we really Delroy Chuck up to? Are we him up to? So him really, so when things say the Oversight Committee are going to come and look into the situation and then put out what them want put out. Then things say, sorry, it go. Then things say them are going to get away with it. The only reason why Delroy Chuck come out and chat off him out, my wisdom warriors, are because the Jamaica Labour Party them involved. No PNP not involved. Only say if PNP didn't involve, then would call out name just like what they do in Vaz. Wanna hear me? No PNP is involved in this criminal activity. No PNP, and this is a serious thing. This is a serious thing, my wisdom warriors. And them are going to go down for. Because them is a set of criminal. Come out and talk about in short order. So when you feel, when you allow the Integrity Commission, me talk about it other day, my wisdom warriors. The only thing Delroy Chuck should come out and chat off him mouth is to tell them to name the 8. And that Delroy Chuck should do, you know. He should come out and urge Integrity Commission to name the 8. And that Delroy Chuck for do. But as a Delroy Chuck, he's a man that like to keep secret from monsters. Yes, he's a man, if you never know, Delroy Chuck is a man who like to keep secret from monsters because the sexual offender registry, he do not want to release the names. We are called upon the government for release it. He's the Justice Minister and he never come out and say a word. The only thing him say is, if a raper boy do them time, it is unfair. And you know, want them to get a second punishment when they're on the road. Tell me what kind of justice minister is this? Talk truth, my wisdom warriors. What kind of justice minister? And he is the same very justice minister stand up and talk about Oversight Committee. Clarity from which Oversight Committee? We don't want no Oversight Committee in this year. Leave it. We don't want no Oversight Committee because some of the thief them upon the Oversight Committee. Look upon Everall Warmington. Look upon Everall Warmington from when Integrity Commissioner wait for uno remove Everall Warmington. All now uno remove Everall Warmington. Everall Warmington supposed to be removed from the Oversight Committee. He is not welcome anymore. He's supposed to step down. He's supposed to resign. That's why the first time when me hear him come out and talk about resignation, handing in resignation, me know say it is a lie. That's why me tell you no say it is a trick, my wisdom warriors. Don't listen to them. Them are genial. Them are the same one come out, them plan things and misinform the people. And that him and Andrew Owens do. Them plan up and then they come and misinform the people. Listen, you see every criminal that is under ongoing investigation, every single person, every single public officials and parliamentarians that is under ongoing investigation, they need to be suspended until all of this is over. This is a serious thing, you know. Just so Jamaican people don't understand and they don't know them rights. They just allow you to get away with these things. You think other countries these things can happen? Only in Jamaica. Only in Jamaica. So when me hear Delroy Chuck come talk about Oversight Committee, Delroy Chuck too enough. What kind of Oversight Committee? And some of the criminal then they over the Oversight Committee. Make it make sense. Make it make sense. The criminal them were them, the same very people them, some of them were under ongoing investigation. They are on the Oversight Committee and they're not supposed to look at nothing. They're not supposed to look at no documents. None of these documents they're not to look upon. They're supposed to get suspended and removed from that role. A real Jamaica government are really chaka government, you know, ramping shop. Arms house government. Arms house government. These people need to held accountable for everything what them do. Every rob up Jamaican money, they need to held accountable for. 1.7 trillion gone down the drain. 700 billion for help the people them gone down the drain. Now the amount of money Andrew Holness I get left, right and center. No, we might go in at the trillions. Uno think say them a money, I go to Jamaican people. Uno believe that. Me I watch out of my eye, can I make sure I have my notebook, you know. And I write down every single money Andrew Holness they receive, you know. Yes, me have to write it down, my wisdom warriors. Me have to. Between me and Uno, me have to write it down. Because guess what? Me say Andrew Holness come out and say only 1 billion go into hurricane, people that is affected. Only 1 billion. And that Andrew Holness say, what that can do? What that can do? Him say the house them where him give out cost how much millions. Lord Jesus. My wisdom warriors, Andrew Holness will be laughing to the bank. Jamaican people, Andrew Holness will be laughing to the bank. Amount of money Andrew Holness administration receive, the whole of in a Jamaica for nice again. And if you not nice again, you know, you have to go demonstrate now. For get out this money. You have to go out and demonstrate. And if me really say, you go stay in the same place and move and still go make this money win, then no me no say something really wrong with you know. Seriously on a serious level. But on the other hand, me hope for the betterment of Jamaica. And me I hope and me I pray everybody wise up. Me I hope and I pray my wisdom warriors, because I hate to see my people suffering. So me want the best for my people them. Me want the best for Jamaican people. And if you don't understand something, you go and do no research. You understand? Not true people come and talk, say yes, this, that you don't believe. No, try to know for yourself, my wisdom warriors, alright? Guys, do me a favor, like the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. I want to run over to my TikTok and my IG page, follow me. Also, you can reach me on my WhatsApp, which is 876-236-9097. If you want me to add it to the WhatsApp group, text yes and I will add you to it. Blessings upon blessings. One love.